It is a pleasure to welcome our tax expert Mr. Gopal to explain the tax implications of FD in an NRE account. Gopal, over to you.
No, non-resident external account, if you keep it as a fixed deposit, the interest is tax-free. I repeat, it is interest is tax-free.
Okay.
So the way you become resident in India, so based on your residential status, so residential status is an annual status. I repeat, residential status is an annual status. So therefore, year on year only you decide. You may inform the banker you have come to India, that is immaterial. But the income tax purpose, the taxability for NRE is only year on year basis. So the moment you become a resident here, you cannot say that I'm having an NRE account. So the previous year itself, you inform the banker that you become resident. So that particular year, when you are non-resident, for example, last year you are non-resident, but even though you have come in the last 3 months to India, you are non-resident only for that year. So the NRE interest fully exempted. Next year, full year, you are in India. So you cannot say that the NRE interest is exempt for because you are technically resident here.
Yeah.
So you cannot have a NRE account at all. So you have a lot of time to plan for that. You need to plan which year I will be resident, which previous year I will be non-resident. Accordingly, you can manage your NRE account. Even though you are holding NRE account, you are resident. What will happen? NRE exemption is section 10 with bracket 14. You claim the 1014 exemption, but in the income tax return, you say you are resident. The exemption will not be eligible at all for you. Though even it is an NRE account, the exemption will not be eligible. So therefore, income tax is very clear. You may say it is NRE account, but you are resident. You are not eligible for exemption.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.